Are you looking for the best woman gym sports bra and leggings woman? In this video we will look at some of the best woman gym sports bra and leggings woman on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sportswear Woman Gym Sports Bra. Workout Apparel Vertical Bar Naked Brazilian Women Vertical Bar Material Spandex and Lycra. Crafted from a blend of spandex and lycra, this set offers a snug, stretchable fit for dynamic movement. Fabric Knulls Suede High Waist. The Knulls Suede High Waist design provides a flattering silhouette and tummy control during yoga sessions. Sport Type Yoga, optimized for yoga, this set ensures freedom of movement and comfort during your practice. Number 2. Women's Solid High Waist Sports Leggings. Our brand Fitral is same pronunciation of word feature. Just as the name showed, all our products own their unique brilliant characteristics. To create features for every product, we control quality from design, sample making, bulk production, quality checking, testing, till shipping. We have strict standards in every step to make sure customers get what they want. Number 3. Yoga Set 2/3 PCS Sports Outfits Women Clothes Fitness. Applicable scenarios perfect for a range of activities from yoga to hiking. This set adapts to your active lifestyle. Full sleeve and sleeveless options. Choose between full sleeves or sleeveless for adaptability in your yoga routine or other sports. Custom logo. Dropshipping supports custom logo and dropshipping, making it ideal for businesses or personal branding. Number 4. Summer High-Waisted Yoga Pants. Material 90% polyester, 10% spandex. Very comfortable and soft like you wouldn't believe. These ingenious leggings do it all for you. Women's Relaxed Fit All-Day Straight Leg Pant Super Stretch Millennium Welt Pocket Boot Leg with Tummy Control Modern Skinny Slim Classic Fit Women's Wrinkle-Free Pant with Pockets High-Waisted Wide Leg Business Crop with Prints Plus Size Hiking Workout Plaid Jogging. Number 5. Workout Dry Fit Breathable High Elastic Sports. This women's sports tops is made of 75% nylon 25% spandex, soft, breathable and elastic, wicking moisture. Whether you use it as an everyday top or a sports t-shirts, it offers the ultimate in comfort, breathability and freedom of movement. It will make you more comfortable. Fashion design. This women's long-sleeved gym tops has fashion style.